Hello, busy funeral directors. I'm sure you're just like me, that you don't have a lot of time to be absorbing valuable content such as tutorials, webinars, all those things, training videos that's uploaded onto YouTube. You just don't have the time. So you could actually, or you don't know which video you should be watching, whether it's worth your time or not. So these days, what I do is I use AI to summarize the YouTube video for me to see whether it's worth my time to watch it, right? So let me show you a quick, easy way to do this. So let's say you're on YouTube, you're like, hey, should I watch this video or not? What you will see is this little AI thing, summarize video. So you click on summarize video. Now it will open it up within ChatGPT and you will see the summary. Right, obviously this is one of the webinar I did on how to grow your cases in 2024 when there is a pulled forward effect, right? You can see pretty good summary. Then what you can do is if you want more information, right? Oops, if you want a little more information, let me show you what you could do, right? Please expand on importance of reviews. Then it will give you a longer summary on that specific section within the webinar, right? So pretty nice. Hopefully this helps you save some time so that way, just like me, you can go through more tutorials that's on YouTube. Let me know if you have any questions.